Okay, now let's create an interface for the data for the system, so that when users go into the system, they will be presented with an easy to navigate menus. All right. So this is according to your creativity. What we can utilize is the forms. Okay, let's create a blank form. Okay, click on create and use a blank form. Okay, right. Okay, so here we're going to imagine that this is the main interface of our system. Okay, so yeah, let's click on the design view first. Okay, let's resize this canvas slightly bigger. Okay, so basically we will create create buttons access to the main parts of the application. All right, so on the main ones is to register students. So we create one button to open the form to register students. So click on the button, and a command button wizard pops up. So here we use the form operation to open the form. Okay, click open the form, click next. The first form is for registration, student registration form. So click on student registration form, click next, and open the all records. That's for time being. Click on next, and let's give it a text to student. Start it as student maintenance. Let's create as a student maintenance. Right? Let's say student button. Okay. Okay, and then next, other forms that we can create ones for includes the course registration for students. Click on, but students, the course registration for students comes from they start off by choosing or putting in their student ID. Remember this particular form, the choose students form. We create this form for students to actually record. We'll use this form instead. Okay, so click on button and put it anywhere, and click on form operations and click on open form and student. All right, and register courses, or let's type this as courses button is for lecturers to enter the grades. Okay, so we'll click about button here, put it anywhere, and then next action is to for forms, open form, and we will call up the students grade, the course grading form. Okay, open the form and find specific data to display. We'll just show all records. Click on next, put a label to it, call it as enter grades. Okay, let's name this as grades button. Finish. Okay, and probably we need one form or one button to open up the report. So one button, let's put it here, and this is to open up the report. So category is report operation. Open report. Click on next, and we have result summary report. Click on next, and the text is, let's say, generate results. Click on next. Okay, just like this as results button. Right. So let's imagine that these two functions, student maintenance and generate student result, is a function for the administrator. Register courses is a menu for students, and mainly the lecturers. Right. So we can actually rearrange them and probably put some boxes here. So we have in the controls, we can find a box. Okay, so we can create a box, for example, probably like this. Okay, let's copy this, copy and paste another one. Okay, so that we have 3 of them. So we use 3, we arrange them so that, okay, right. Now let's do some arrangement. Let's say for enter grades, we will do some, let's put it somewhere here, slightly in the middle, register courses, slightly in the middle, student maintenance and generate student results code. Then let's put a label. Okay, let's say this is administrator. So this is for administrators menu.